Today we bought a barbecue for the caravan. It's a Cadac Carri Chef 2. It's a gas barbecue, and I'm just going to show you me getting it out of the box, setting it up, connecting it up to the gas, and maybe having a bit of a cook on it. With the caravan we had the connecting pipe to connect up to the gas supply. There's a barbecue point on the side of the caravan just here, and you'll see if you open that up, there's the gas tap inside and got the cover that goes over, and I've got the components for the pipe here. There's a small connector which just plugs into there, and 2 metre length of pipe, and a couple of Jubilee clips to connect all this together. So this just pops in here, and the Jubilee clip goes on, and I've got my trusty little screwdriver drill. Just make sure that's all in one place. That's all pretty nice and tight on there. Just make sure that fits into there. Yep, that's all nice and tight on there. So the other end of this pipe will go onto the barbecue once I've set it up, and there'll be this other Jubilee clip. We'll attach that onto there. So this is what we bought, the Cadac Carri Chef 2 barbecue chef pan combo. So this is what you get in the pack. There's a lid, a sort of a chef pan they call that, and then a non-stick barbecue grid, and a pot stand, so we can actually boil pots of water, yeah, or cook soups or stews, whatever
make pasta.
We want to on
yes.
that. And then obviously the barbecue itself and the legs. Here we are, the grand opening of the barbecue.
Oh, it's well packaged.
A few bits of silicone gel, I like to keep those to one side. That's the lid handle there. Plenty of packaging.
More of those, yeah. If we ever thought the caravan was damp, we could put these in the caravan, couldn't we?
Yeah.
And absorb the moisture. That's good. That's very good. Oh, that's here, this is a temperature gauge.
Yeah. Here is the manual and the hose connector and so on. So we need to get that on and fixed up. Put that to one side for the moment. And just get everything out of the box. This will be the lid. And it actually comes with a carry bag. More silicone. I like to pop all that packaging back in the box for now. And here it is, carry bag, little spice rack and gas bottle stand, although we won't be using the gas bottle in the centre of there, and the legs.
pips, I bet pick these up.
So that's the lid handle assembled with the little plastic thing in the top, and this bit here is to hook it on the side so it can act as a wind guard.
That one?
No,
this
is not heavy.
Oh.
This is the main gas burner, and the legs screw on onto here, here and here.
Because it's designed for people in caravans, so it's got to be easy to take apart, hasn't it?
Yeah. And that's it. So just under here is the fitting for the gas pipe. Like a lot of gas fittings, these turn the opposite direction to the way you'd think. What's that? That's ready to be connected to the gas supply. So, as I've explained earlier, this end of the pipe just slots into the gas fitting there, and if we want to take that out, we just lift that up and that pops out. To turn the gas on, we just use this red switch, turn that on, and we've got gas flow. Obviously you don't want to do that with this end of the pipe not connected to anything, so we're going to connect this up to the barbecue fitting, and then we're done. So all we need to do now is to pop this onto here as far as we need it to go, and this is the point where I wish I'd not put that onto the barbecue, so I'm going to take that off and then put the fitting onto the pipe first. So here we are, we're just getting this connected up. I popped a bit of washing up liquid into the end of the pipe there, just to help us with the getting this. It's a pretty tight fit, and I want that to be on there as tight as I possibly can, so that there's no possibility of any gas leaks. So that's down a couple of notches, and enough to get the Jubilee clip just in there. I've got the drill screwdriver here. that seems to be all nice and tightly on there. So now I'm ready to pop this back on. Hi guys, and thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe. Check out all our other videos to keep following us on the road.
Thanks everyone. Bye.
Bye bye.